complain that we go to school, we seem to understand the lesson but we don't remember. Parents complain that our kids are working very hard but they don't get good grades. And the teachers complain that while we are teaching in the classroom, the students, they don't pay attention, they don't have concentration. And adults like you and I, we don't remember our bank account numbers, Aadhaar card numbers, or numerical data. So every one of us at different parts of life, we got some memory challenge. And if you got any such issue, from now you don't have to worry because I am going to be with you. My name is Squadron Jayasimha. I'm the President Indian Memory Council, multiple Guinness World Record holder. We got a free memory seminars coming up in KUKATPALLY area during Dasara vacations on 14th of October, Saturday evening 6:30, 15th October Sunday. We have 3 seminars, one in the morning 11 o'clock, one in the afternoon 3 p.m. and the last one evening 6:30 p.m. happening at PNR Empire, Lalitha Jewellery building. It is at KPHB bus stop. You can come with your children, with your students. You can attend this free seminar and witness unbelievable memory demonstration and make use of this beautiful Dasara holidays. And if you can learn these memory techniques, when you go back to school, college or into a job, this memory issue will no longer be there. Looking forward to seeing all of you. Bye bye.